Hello everyone! Today I wanted to share with you a day in my life as a computer science teacher. Basically how I get ready for work and what it's like being a teacher right now. Surprise! I have a new job position, so I got to decorate my office while also trying different masks for protection. So on top of being a YouTuber, I am also an elementary school teacher, but some changes have happened. A quick little backstory, I used to be a 4th grade TA, and then I was a 5th grade teacher for 2 years, a 3rd grade teacher for 1 year, and this year I'm actually a computer science teacher. I actually wrote this in my Instagram when it first happened, but I realized I didn't share with my YouTube family what was going on. There were some changes going on at my school, and then I was offered the position to be a computer science teacher, which means I was going to teach kindergarten through 5th grade, which is a really big adjustment because I was so used to just teaching one grade level. I now get to share my love of technology with the students and also reminding them, how do we struggle through the things that are difficult for us, because once upon a time, someone had to teach us how to copy and paste, how to go on a new tab, and all of that. So that's pretty much what I have been doing from 5 to 6-year-olds all the way to 10, 11-year-olds. That's what's happening. So let me show you what my day is like. I start off my mornings by moving my body because it really wakes me up in the morning since I don't drink any coffee. So I get a morning sweat session in before I make a delicious smoothie as my post-workout fuel. Today I decided on a triple berry smoothie, so I add almond milk, some frozen berries, and then some vegan protein powder, some hemp seeds for extra fuel, and then I add a scoop of almond butter to my smoothies, which honestly makes the smoothie taste so delicious. I used to not like almond butter in my smoothies, but something changed in me, and now I absolutely love it. After I shower, I change my clothes, and I have a whole section in my closet that is filled with dresses that I can wear as a teacher. I pretty much cycle through all of them. This one has pockets, which is great. So typically I don't put any foundation on before I go to work because it's going to be covered with a mask anyway and only my eyes will show. This is my most favorite mineral sunscreen. It's the Tizo 3 sunscreen. And there's a little bit of color, but not enough where it completely comes off onto my mask. Next are my eyebrows. I just fill in my eyebrows. I have tried so many different eyebrow pencils, but the Anastasia Brow Wiz is definitely my most favorite because it looks the most natural and it's long lasting. Okay, next I'm gonna use some primer so that my eyeshadow actually lasts all day long. So this is definitely one of my top favorite colors to use, and this color right here is the color that I get complimented on the most whenever I wear this color. It's a very nice pink, pinky purple. So I just spread it all over my eyelid. Last but not least, I go in with Kat Von D eyeliner. I use liquid liner because I have the most control over my eyes, and it lasts a really long time. Okay, and I am now ready for my day. What is the weather today? It is so hot, and it's only 7:30 in the morning. 100 degrees in September. After getting ready for work, I pack my laptop because my personal one is a Mac while my work laptop is a Chromebook. I drink a ton of water every hour to make sure my body is hydrated. Okay, gotta pack my lunch. My lunch bag is so big. I could put so much food in it. I love this size, it's amazing. My fridge is stocked with leftovers I've cooked because I cook enough for a family of 4, even when I'm by myself. So I always have sweet potatoes that were baked in my fridge, and whenever I want to eat it as a snack or as a little treat, then I like to just stick it back in my little conventional oven and toast it up. This is mapo tofu that I made last night. So good. I need some more snacks. Of course, the teacher chooses an apple. Oh my gosh, it feels so hot, but it's only 70 degrees right now. Okay, time to go to work. Okay, what mask do I want today? Let's go with this one. It's actually my school one. Hehe, super cute. Okay, I just realized that this mask matches my dress. I'm very fortunate that it only takes me 10 minutes to get to work without any traffic because a lot of people are working from home, so I get the road to myself. Every single morning, the first playlist I listen to is my For I Am With You playlist on Spotify, which has some of my favorite Christian songs or Jesus jams. So we do get temperature checked before we go into the school. I always get a little nervous just because you never know if you really have a fever or not, because sometimes I feel fine and I'll actually be sick. But so far so good, no fevers. Now, before I show you my new office, since I have a new teacher position, I had to learn a lot about computer science on my own, and this video is sponsored by Skillshare, which is a great place to learn new things. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore Skillshare's workshops, classes, and a bunch of other things. Skillshare offers creative classes designed for real life and all the circumstances that come with it. Find the support of fellow creatives who provide encouragement and communication and inspiration. So drawing, writing, and journaling can be great ways to help manage stress, practice mindfulness, and feel connected to one another too. One class I'm learning from is Christian Haleman's The JavaScript Toolkit, where I can write cleaner, faster, and better code. By clicking the link in the description for a limited time, the first 1,000 people will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership so you can explore your creativity. So this is what my office looks like now, but this is what the office looked like before I moved into this area of the school. It was the records room, so there were a lot of papers, and I also had things from my old classroom. My school got me new furniture, so I felt very accomplished when I was able to put it all together. I did struggle here and there, but that's when problem solving comes in. I definitely feel like I built this furniture much better than the ones that I've built at home. I am very happy with how this space turned out, and I feel like it's a space I can be comfortable in, considering I have to sit in the same spot for almost 8 hours. I have my desk right in front of the window, and I got this clock on Amazon to make sure I jump on Google Meets right on time to meet my students. I hang my mask using a push pin, and I also have a diffuser where I diffuse a scent called Motivate, which is supposed to help you feel motivated. I just love the way it smells, and it fills up the entire office. We got new Chromebooks this year, and they have a screen that flip, which is helpful because I can annotate my work and I can write notes with the stylus, so it's also touchscreen. Super blessed and thankful. So our students sign on to Google Meet at 9 a.m. with their classroom teachers, but every day I see different age groups from kindergarten to 5th grade. Before school starts, I always check my schedule to wrap my head around my day. Then I spend a lot of time researching technology-related projects for students or how to make distance learning more enjoyable for our students. I try to take a water break every hour or so I'll go refill my water bottle, use the restroom, and then come back and teach some more. Planning the curriculum is a task I feel like I'll never finish because I always want to add more to it. I also have a lot of supplies for our students to use when it comes to designing things, and I already sent home some maker kits for our students at the beginning of the year. When I greet the students, I make sure to be extra energetic because it can be hard to connect with a teacher online. Although, I hope all of you feel connected with me in some way when watching my YouTube videos. We do have daycare on campus, so if a student is having a hard time with technology, then I'll put on my clear mask around my mouth as well as a face shield, which is required when we work with children. It's a whole thing, but the kids are used to it and at least they can see our mouth moving. After I take off all of my PPE because I'm all alone in my office, I then use hand sanitizer that was provided by our school to make sure I am practicing healthy habits. Until my next class, I usually will read these computer science books to continuously learn more about the world of technology and fun projects students can participate in. This Hello Ruby series is great for children, and not only do they have a computer science book, but there's also a coding book with activities as well. So then I continue to teach my students online, and that's my day. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!